Hey, what's up, everyone? What do you think this creature is in China? What do you think this noise is? Different people were heard saying, "It's growling, it's growling." Many reported they claimed they could hear growling. A lot of people heard this woo sound. A lot of the Chinese individuals thought that they were hearing a dragon. They said they called them Chinese dragon sounds. So experts, quote unquote experts, were sent into the area and blocked off the people. They claimed they did an investigation into it to find out where the sounds were coming from. No one's heard back from them. So they actually sent a team of experts, if you want to call them that, once again, um, to investigate the area. So they said no, it's just a yellow-legged bottom quail. Zoologists later revealed that the sound was in fact coming from a type of small bird called the yellow-legged bottom quail. So, what do you think? They say it's hardly bigger than a sparrow. The little ground birds have a disproportionately loud song. During the breeding session, the females reportedly utter the booming hoots. During breeding season, which can be heard at a distance of 328 feet. So, do you believe that a tiny little bottom quail, not much larger than a sparrow, could make wooing or hooting sounds that could be heard 328 feet away? The experts' conclusion was confirmed, they say, by some villagers who say they spotted the animals while they were making the noise. Why didn't they video it? That's my question. Why did they video the creatures making the sound? They said it hummed twice or three times repeatedly every 6 or 7 minutes. The sound was very deep. They said they thought it was quite strange. A dozen or so of the villagers followed the sound to the confined area and chased down a yellow bird with a really short tail. Why don't they show the video of them chasing the bird down? Just a thought. When they give these explanations, they never show video of the evidence for the explanation. But whatever you think, residents in other areas heard similar sounds before. They just didn't think too much about it. Local police said that they had been detained, at least said they had been detained, at least they detained 4 residents for spreading rumors online claiming the sound was a dragon's humming. So apparently, I guess if you post a rumor online, apparently in China you go to jail. But what do you think? Let's see. Let's see if I can get the video to play now. The claim was that it was a bird, but they never. They claimed they spotted the bird and tracked it down and followed it. But yet there's no video online of the bird making that sound. Who knows? I don't really find a dragon to make a sound like that, but they claimed it was a bird, a small bird. That's not it. Hold on. Okay, here's the video footage of the sound. Share your thoughts. When it plays. Ah, mysterious 10-foot creature stuns locals after spotted in Chinese River. Alright, here's the sound. It came from a bird a little larger than a sparrow, and the sound could go for over 300 feet. I promise I'm trying. I'm trying to get this to work. This old tablet I'm trying to use, so I'm trying to use an old tablet. That's all I have. I think it's gonna play. Here it is. I thought. So I don't know if it's true or not, but this claims to be some of the strange sounds from July 1st in China. I don't know. Maybe it was faked. I don't know. Sounds like it might have been a movie dubbed over, so I'm not sure. I'll have to do. I've heard enough strange things that I can't really say. Okay, so here, about 10 days ago, they say for about more than 10 days now, super scary sound has been emitting from the ground, from the mountain in Guizhou, China. Some say it's the earthly dragon sound, warning us of some kind of disaster. So apparently, after that sound happened, it sounds like the ancients, to be honest with you. That's something else. I mean, things are not what people think they are, I'll tell you that. But they said, oddly enough, a day after this is what happened. They said an earthquake happened exactly where the sound was located. And they claimed that sound, the screeching sound, was a bird. You can hear growling as well. Snarling. What do you think? I'm going to do some research personally and look into all of this. I don't know. It does sound like sci-fi music in sci-fi movies, Interstellar Contact and so on. Really, the sound reminds me of.
What's up, guys? This is Cody here at Mystery Archives.
Why is it? The sound reminds me of the ancient monks, the monk sounds that. The thing that they would do. The monks, the priests, the monks would get together and make this loud sound. So, I mean, maybe it's the angel's trumpet blowing like this video says. This is one of the sounds they say they heard. I mean, I don't know anymore. I don't know which one's which, so yeah. I don't know. I really honestly don't know. That's it. Buddhist monks meditating. Oh, that's what I thought like. An earthly dragon in the cave of the Chinese mountains. There's so many theories. So many thoughts going on. They claim it sounds like a large giant quail. Anyway, peace signing out. What do you think all of this is? Links are below.